Finding the perimeter and area of a square. So we have the question where find the perimeter and area of a square whose length is 7 meters. So our L here will be 7 meters. Now, unlike the rectangle, the square, all the sides are equal. So if this, so we have a square here. If this is 7, this is also 7, this is also 7, it's going to be 7. So all the sides are equal. Are equal. Now to find the perimeter of a square, it's quite easy. So the perimeter of a square, the P will be equal to 4 times L. Okay, because you have L here, L here, L here, and L here. If you add it, that'll just be 4 times L. So that's the perimeter of that's the formula for the perimeter of a square. So our answer will be 4 times 7 meters, which will be 28 meters. So the perimeter of this square is going to be 28. And how about the area? The area of a square would be just L times L. We can just say L square. Okay, the area of a square is L times L or L square. So that would be 7 times 7, which would equal 49 meters squared. Okay, 49 meters squared. Or you can also, some people say square meters. Okay, some might say 49 square meters. Like this, but it's the same thing actually. So 49 meters squared. So it's much it's better to write it like this. 49 meters squared. So that's just it for the perimeter. It's 28, 4 times L, and for the area, it's just going to be L times L, which is 49. Now let's go to this question. So they didn't give us the L, so the perimeter of a square is 22.4 centimeters. Find the area of the square. So what's our L? We don't know. What's our area? That's what we're trying to find. And what's the perimeter? It's 22.4. So how do we find the area? The first thing we do is that we need to find the length. So we know that the perimeter of a square is 4 times L, right? So it means that 22.4 is equal to 4 times L, right? So we want L to be the subject of this formula. We're looking for L. So we can divide both sides by 4. Okay, 4 here, 1, 4 goes here, 1. Then 22.4 divided by 4 is going to be 5.6. Okay, here 1, here 5.6. So it means that our length, the length of this square is going to be 5.6. 5.6 what? Let's check the units. Centimeters. So the length of this square is 5.6 centimeters. And from here we can find our area. So the area of a square is length times length, or L square. So that will be 5.6 times 5.6. Okay. So 5.6 times 5.6, that should give us 31.36. So our unit will be centimeter squared. So the area of this square will be 31.36 centimeters squared. So again, let's just do a recap. I'll just type it here. So for a square, all the sides of a square are equal. The formula for the perimeter of a square will equal to 4 times the length of the square, and the area of the square equal to length, or the square times length. I'll just put length. So length times length. So I hope this helps, and there will be more videos coming regarding areas and perimeters. Thank you.